Hello，大家好，Bonjour à tous，我是莱恩，坐标巴黎，会讲中英法俄三门语言。最近有许多朋友问我怎么样的开始练习瑜伽，那么今天我就带给大家一套基础入门瑜伽，练一遍只需几分钟，却能够照顾到全身主要的经络，有效的活跃身心。这就是瑜伽的拜日式。通过瑜伽获得健康，顺便开阔眼界，学学外语。准备好了吗？让我们开始吧。Welcome to practice yoga with me again. Today we'll be doing Sun Salutation B. I did some minor adjustment for you so that the movement would be more fluid and easier to practice. Inhale and exhale, coming to the top of your yoga mat. Relax your shoulders, open your chest, shoulder blades try to kiss. Feel your body. Inhale, hands up to the sky. Look to your thumb. And next exhale all the way to the floor. Forward fold. Inhale 90-degree monkey pose. Exhale, come to chair pose. Try to keep your knees above your feet. Send your hips back. Straighten your back and send your hands up to the sky. Look to your hands. Inhale and exhale. Next exhalation, fall all the way down to the floor. Inhale 90-degree monkey and exhale plank. Remember with your plank, hands directly under your shoulders. Strong plank here, my friend. Inhale and exhale. Feel your plank. Next exhalation, lower down to the floor. Inhale cobra. Very good. Exhale, down dog. Send your hips back. Walk your dog. Very good. With your next inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, right foot come all the way to in between of your hands. Lift up your torso, hands to the sky. Warrior one. Strong warriors, strong legs. Very good. Exhale, hands to the floor. Send your right foot back, downward dog. Inhale, lift your left foot up to the sky. Exhale, left foot come to in between of your hands. Inhale, lift your torso up. Warrior one to the other side. Very good. Continue, feel your legs and look to the sky. Next exhale, send your hands back to your yoga mat. Very good. Send your left foot back. Come to down dog again. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Look at your hands. Start to walk back to your hands. Forward fold. Very good. Inhale 90-degree. Exhale, lower down. Inhale all the way up to the sky. Exhale, hands to the heart. Continue, feel your breath. Inhale, up we go again. Hands to the sky. Exhale, all the way down to the floor. Forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, chair pose again. Send your hips back, flatten your back. Shift your weight backwards. Look to your hands. Very good. Next exhale, hands on the floor. And send your foot back. Come to plank again. Strong plank. Inhale and exhale, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, lower to the floor. Inhale, cobra. Look to the right, to the left. Stretch a little bit. Feel your back. Feel your body. Flex your feet. Exhale, back to down dog. Feel your heart trying to kiss your knees. Again, right foot up as you inhale. Exhale, right foot come to the front. Inhale up, warrior one, hands to the sky. Again, strong legs. Look at your hands. Exhale, hands down to your yoga mat. Send your right foot back. Come to down dog again. Left leg up. Exhale, Left foot coming between of your hands. Again, lift up your torso. Warrior one. Look at your hands. Look to the sky. Exhale. Hands to the floor. Send your left leg back. Downward dog again. Very good. Look at your hands. Walk back to your hands. Forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree, flat back. Exhale, lower down. Inhale all the way back to high mountain. Hands to the sky. Exhale. Hands back to your heart. Brilliant. One more time. Let's go. Inhale, hands up to the sky. And exhale, swan dive all the way to the floor. Forward fold. Inhale, 90-degree. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, chair pose. Strong chair. Feel your core. Inhale and exhale. Send your hips back. Slowly lower down. Hands to the floor. Send your foot back. Plank again. Squeeze your glutes and your inner thighs. Strong core. Next, exhale. Lower all the way down to your yoga mat. Inhale, cobra. Feel your lower back. Maybe just gently move a little bit. Feel the gentle stretch. Very good. Exhale, down dog. Walk your feet. Continue to feel the energy coming together. Very good. Next, inhale. Up we go. Right foot up to the sky. Exhale, right foot coming between of your hands. Inhale, torso up, hands pointing to the sky. Again, strong warrior one. Beautiful. Exhale, hands to the floor. Back to down dog. And we're going to the left side. Left leg up as we inhale. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, warrior one. Look at your hands, maybe add a little bit of back bend as you wish. Next exhale, hands fall back to your yoga mat. Come back to down dog. Brilliant. Look at your hands, maybe jump back to your hands. Forward fold, feel the body, feel your breath. Inhale 90-degree, exhale lower down. Inhale all the way up, high mountain. Exhale, hands back to your heart. That's it. Great job. Inhale, hands to the sky again. Exhale, hands back to your heart. Bring your hands to your third eye. Feel your breath. Feel your strong core. Feel the body slowly calm down. Very good. With love and gratitude, we say Namaste.
怎么样？喜欢拜日式吗？每一个清晨都可以用拜日式来迎接新一天的到来，一呼一吸，一体一事。每一次的练习都是对生活的感悟和对生命的感恩。如果喜欢我的频道，记得关注、点赞和转发。如果有任何问题，都可以留言告诉我。您的支持是我最大的动力。也记得常常回来，让我们在每一个视频里面一起变得更好。Namaste。